Hey guys, so for today's video, if you want to know how I got this eyeshadow with this Colourpop, keep on watching. Hey guys, so before I started this video, I already put my Hard Candy Sheer Primer Glow primer on because I didn't want to bore you guys and let it dry. So you guys kind of already know my foundation routine, so I'm going to do my foundation routine in a time lapse and come back and do the Colourpop double Entendre eyeshadow palette for you guys. Okay, so I'm back, and you guys saw the time lapse. You get the gist of it. I've done a foundation routine, a new one, but I stopped using the Mega Glow powder, and I switched to the Wet n Wild contour stick, which is way better. So I might do an update on a new video of my foundation routine. But that's beside the point of this video. So I picked this up at Ulta Beauty for like $16. And this is what it looks like. It's called Colourpop Double Entendre. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know. But this is what the back looks like. This is what the front looks like. So, and I'm going to open it up. I've used it a couple times, but these are the colors, and they are amazing. And I thought that this blue shirt would go with my eyeshadow look. It would brighten it up a little bit. So, I am going to start off with my base color. And it says a finisher, but I'm gonna go with this one right here, and I'm using my Eyeshadow Row Techniques brush. I'm not sponsored by Ulta Beauty. I'm not sponsored by Colourpop, and I'm not sponsored by Real Techniques or any of the products that I use in this video. I'm just doing it for fun on my own. So I'm just gonna go like that. Like, this is like really pretty. So I'm gonna do same thing, same color on the other eye. See how much lighter it is? Okay, so now I'm kind of gonna go with all of the, maybe a darker color, but I'm going to go in with this peach one right here color. And do the same thing on my eye. Sorry if I'm looking up, it's because I'm looking in my mirror. It's a lot harder than before. See how much like pinkish, peachy, orangish color that is? I really like it. So now I'm going to take, I think it's this one right here. And this is Teddy Bear. That's what it says on the back. So I'm just gonna go with it. Kind of got a shimmery goldish tone to it, and I'm just gonna add it to my eye again. Doesn't really show up. Do it again. Gonna add more on there. Let's see. Stomach must be hungry. Hungry. I don't know why. Now I'm gonna take this peachy one again, peachy one, and then this darker orange. Go over it. With my eye dual brush by Rope Techniques. And if you don't notice, I put my other hair extensions in because fall is coming and I just wanted to change it up. So that's beside this video. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Also, this would be a good fall glam look if you're wanting to do something for fall. I guess that this would go under the category. So now I'm going to take my angled, I think it's angled, eye dual crease brush by Rope Techniques, and I didn't put any eyeshadow on it. I'm just blending it out so it all is smooth. So, and this also came in a box, but I can't find the box right now. So now I'm going to take my concealer brush by Rope Techniques, and I am going to add like this shimmery rose, like gold. It's got a lot on it. I actually used this for an eyeshadow brush and a concealer brush before I had the eye dual brush by Rope Techniques. And it works the same. Ooh, that is like very fall. I'm liking this palette a lot. Okay, so I just did the same thing on the other eye because I put a little bit more, and now I am going to get that out. I'm just patting it out, and I'm going to use this like tan color one. Put it on my eye so it blends. Do the same thing on the other eye. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it totally looks good with my shirt that I have on. All because of my shirt. I wanted to do this tutorial. So now I'm going to use some of this one right here and just put it, you guys can't see, sorry. Put it on my eye to blend it out more so it's not so fiery orangey red. This little palette, I've never used Colourpop before, but this little palette was only $16, And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 little swatches in there. With MAC, 12, like 7 times 12 is 60. So this is amazing. Like, I'm not trying to put MAC down because I've done videos with them and I have friends that work there, but this is a lot better than what you pay for it, because you pay for one little one for $7. So, well, yeah, 12 times 7 is 14. It'd be like, it would be, yeah, it would be like 14, and then, sorry, 14, and then it'd be like $64, I think, or more. I can't really tell because I don't have a calculator, but that's beside the point. 12 times 7, 2 times 7 is 14, and then 1 times 2 is 2. It would be like, I don't know, I'll scratch it out, but I know it's a lot more than MAC. So, and please don't make fun of me for trying to figure it out on the video. Yeah, so now I will be back with the mascara part of this video. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to do the mascara. I cannot find my go-to one, the Maybelline one, so I'm just using this Wet n Wild Mega Protein one. I did like a comparison on mascaras a while back, a few months ago, if you want to hop on over there. And also, 12 times 7 is $84. So I only paid $16 for this whole thing, and for 4 of them at MAC, if you buy 4, it is $28 to $30. So I'm not trying to put MAC down or anything, but this is a lot better than having to pay $16. So let's get started on the mascara. There's one side. If you hear water running, it's because it's raining today here where I live. Okay, and there we go. And also, I will insert all the stuff that I use in this video so that if you want to get this look, you can. Also, I am going to use my Flawless mascara by Maybelline to give it a little bit of more volume. Okay. So now I'm going to come back with the end result for you. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result, and please don't make fun of me for trying to figure out how much it costs at MAC. I just was thinking in my head and I should have known the price, but please don't make fun of me because of it. And also, like I said, I would totally recommend that you go pick this up at Ulta Beauty. It's only $16. It's like one of the best palettes I've ever used. and I've been doing makeup for a long time. So also Colourpop has different eyeshadow palettes too. You can look online. I'm not sponsored by Colourpop or Ulta Beauty or any of the products I used in this video, like I said before. But please like this video. If you like how my eyeshadow turned out, please like this video. And please, if you have any questions or comments, please comment in the comment box below. It just makes my day, and it just, you know, brightens me up and stuff. So please don't forget to like, and please also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.